268 local languages used in Papua beside Indonesian language.
I was lost and sad to the voices in my head.
There are at least 268 languages in Papua, Papua and West Papua province. The names of languages in Papua were formed from the long history of Papua, including in colonialism, as well as interactions with the surrounding tribes, interactions among Papua people, and other non-scientific activities.
Another day, I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get up again. I fell.
Has the high risk of natural disasters.
War, shot me dead. I was lost and sad to the voices in my head.
Papua Regional Disaster Management Agency recorded that 7 of the 11 districts in the region has the high risk of natural disasters such as earthquakes, flash floods and tsunamis. Based on the National Disaster Risk Index, the region in Papua such as Ampnor, Manokwari District, Raja Ampat Regency, Teluk Bintuni District, Teluk Wandama Regency, Sarong Regency, South Sarong Regency and Maybrat Regency are listed as highly disaster-prone areas in West Papua. The location of the only once snowy mountain in Indonesia.
Shot me dead. I was lost and sad.
Jaya Mount is a dream for Asian climbers, especially those who live in Indonesia. Therefore, the peak is the highest land in Indonesia and in Asia. The altitude is 4,884 meters above the surface. It is also considered as one of highest mountain in Indonesia with stunning views. On the top of this mount, there is a snowy area. Another special thing is that you can find objects or see items in the peak of mountain, such as shell houses or other marine fossils.
Gonna get up
There is an organization of separatism called Organisasi Papua Merdeka.
I was lost and sad to the voices in my.
The Organization of Papua Merdeka, or usually called OPM, is an organization which has a mission to separate Papua from Indonesia. The member of OPM group often do violence against civilians and the security forces to fight for their politics. It is clearly called separatism. They have even continued to seek international support by creating an issue on the occurrence of human rights abuses in Papua. Have the great potential of natural resource.
Shot me dead. I was lost and sad to the voices in my head.
Do you know Freeport? Yep, it is the biggest mining company in Indonesia. It has been well known that Papua is very rich of various natural resources. The mining sector is already able to contribute more than 50% of Papua's economy, with copper, gold, oil and gas. It has a potential of 2.5 billion tons of gold and copper ore seeds. All of them are located in the Freeport concession area. The location of the deepest cave.
Shot me dead. I was lost and sad to the voices in.
The speleology, the knowledge that learn about cave, expedition team from France has discovered the deepest cave in the world. It is located in the mountains of Lena, Iramba Village, Angi District, Manokwari, West Irian Jaya. The depth of the cave reached 2,000 meters.
I gotta get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up again. I fell.
There are typical endemic animals.
War, shot me dead. I was lost. And I said to the voices.
To be said endemic, an organism must be found only somewhere and not found elsewhere. Well, Papua is the place with many unique endemic animals in Indonesia. If you visit Papua, you would easily find red sandros, spotted carpet sharks, golden mantle tree kangaroos, one-whaled cassowary, and the last is black-winged parrots.